How's it going, everybody? What we have here is hopefully the last piece of the puzzle for my system. This 120 amp hour skib bank from Itty-Bitty Boom. I've waited for a long time for this, probably close to 2 months. As I ordered on a pre-order, and it's taken a while to get here, but hopefully it's worth it. He has really packaged the crap out of this thing, so hopefully it's arrived safe, and we'll get it unboxed and see what it looks like. Okay, so straight out of the box, man, he really packaged this thing really well. It arrived perfect. Yeah, this black shrink wrap all around it, and it looks like he's done the terminals, so I'm gonna have to take this top off to get the wrap off the terminals, which is not a bad idea, really. It might be, well, no. Oh, okay, I can just pull that out. I'm still gonna take the top off to show you that. But what do we got? 6. We got 12 on that side. 12 on that side. That's awesome. You can kind of see. Yeah, we'll take off the top. See what she looks like in there. Well, honestly, I can't see a whole lot. I wish I knew what cells these were. I am not a battery guru by any means. I do know they're skib. I do know it's 120 amp hour bank. I don't know what cells exactly these are. That would be a question to have to ask Milo. I guess I should have asked him that, but man, I've waited for a long time for this, though. This is the final piece, hopefully. And I've had voltage problems for a while now. I think this is gonna solve it. So we're bumping my voltage to about 15.8. Along with this, I think I'm gonna be good. So we'll be back when we get this thing in the truck, probably a couple days. But I'll just splice it all into one big video. But yep, Itty-Bitty Boom, man. So far, I am really impressed with him. Good job, Milo. All right, it's about a week later, and we are in. I still got some grounds. I have to do at least one more run of ground. I ran out of wire, but it's working for now. And, back here and clean up all my mess. Still got wires left from my old battery setup. But performance-wise, this thing's killing it, man. For a single 370 alt on it, I'm dropping to about 13.7, 13.8 for just a second, and then it bounces right back in the 15s. So that's what I wanted. I would prefer to stay in the 14s, but as inefficient as I have everything running, I can't really expect that. These amps are wired to 0.67 and they're strapped. So as inefficient as you can possibly do a setup, that's the way I done it. And if I had it to do over again, and if I ever pull these subs out, I'm probably gonna gain match those amps, because it's just crazy inefficient. But this battery is awesome. I highly recommend it. This old sticker, I found it. I don't even know where I got that, Slam or something. But yeah, we're resting at 15.5. Something else I have to do probably today is I'm gonna get my voltmeter in this little hole, get rid of the 2 base knobs. That's stupid. But yep, I highly recommend Itty-Bitty Boom and Milo Johns. I love it. I wish I'd done it a lot sooner. But yep, thanks for watching, and I'll have another video up pretty soon once I get everything cleaned up and buttoned up of the whole system rundown on this thing, and maybe hit the meter a couple times and show y'all what it's doing. But anyway, have a good one. Thanks for watching.